Auto sales in 2020 are expected to hit the lowest point in nearly a decade. Obviously, not the most encouraging time to buy an automobile. They are expensive things, and the world is kind of in a bit of a unknown state for the time being. And so it's not surprising to see that these 2020 numbers not looking great. This is a lot of the reason why people are so excited about Tesla, is because their numbers looked good still. So even in the midst of a pandemic, they were able to move more vehicles than expected. Not the case for most of the auto industry. Analysts from several research firms expect U.S. vehicle sales to total 14.4 million to 14.6 million in 2020 when the official numbers come through, which is down 15% from a year earlier, marking the lowest level since all the way back in 2012. And Willie Doo is finding something amusing here that we need to get to the bottom of.
Well, I'm just saying, we got to get some subscriptions going.
Oh, yeah, we're getting paywalled all over the place.
Yeah.
Let's buy them all. We support all publications. We need Wall Street Journal. We need definitely South China Morning Post.
Yes. Bloomberg.
Yeah. Let's get a bunch of these things. But anyway, so the point being here is the traditional automotive industry is down a little bit, but you could take this the other way and say, well, now people are ready to get out the house. 2021 about to be a major comeback. Also, people, as you know, Will, they're looking for other forms of leisure, seeing as how a lot of the traditional ones have kind of faded away. You're not sitting in a movie theater. You're going on fewer vacations. Maybe you upgrade the vehicle. You get a larger vehicle. You go on more road trips to the, I don't know, where do you go? To
just
the
hikes.
Camping. Camping is big right now. National park type adventures. Getting out into the wilderness seems okay. Although I bet you up in those northern parts, they're like, please stop bringing that stuff to our, this is where we're at. But anyway, no matter what, wilderness allows for space, and which is what people are talking about and what mattered in 2020 and will continue to matter for a period in 2021. So if you're, we could take the rebound approach here, and the idea that the automotive industry has a huge potential for a rebound effect in 2021.
Yeah,